Okay, so you guys already know that I went to the farmer's market today, the crack house. Walked out with 3 plants, but I'm only going to plant one of them today. I know you're supposed to quarantine them, but I'm uber excited and I want to get it planted, and I have an empty pot, so I'm going to do that. If you haven't done it, subscribe, like, and tell a friend. Come on, guys, let's grow this family. All right, so I got a staghorn fern. Super excited about this. I got a staghorn fern elephant tosis or something. Like it's a big one, but it didn't do well. I didn't do right by it, so I got it shipped. I tried to keep it alive for a while, but it didn't work. But I'll be planting this later. I want to plant this today because we're going to plant that in a board, and I just want to make sure it is a perfect board. Okay, so I got these 2 philodendrons, and I'm only going to plant one today. I got this lovely Philodendron Pink Princess. Look at that. Amazing. This is the one I'm going to plant today. And I got this Philodendron White Knight. So I'm super excited. But only the Pink Princess is going to be planted today. Alright, so I'll just put that to the side. Okay. This is my Philodendron Pink Princess. Couple facts, this guy can grow about 5 feet tall and be about 10 feet wide, so it can get pretty bushy and pretty tall. And because of that reason, we're gonna put her on a bamboo pole. We're gonna put this girl on the pole so she can earn her keep. All right. These guys like bright indirect light. Okay, and the soil you're going to want to use is a soil that is, I already made this. This has perlite, organic soil in it, and I think there's some charcoal in here too, just so that it can drain properly. You want to make sure that the soil is the first inch of it is dry before you add more water. Okay, I am going to. This is going to be really simple. I'm just going to break this up. When I'm done with this, I'm going to clean off the leaves. Like always, I'm going to take a picture of it when it's where it's supposed to be in my bedroom. That's going to be all, but I was just so excited. I wanted to do a quick video so you can see this child of mine. Okay. I'm just going to put this in here. That nice and smooth. Now again, this does like to climb. It's a climbing plant. This is not a runner. Okay, so that's it. I'm just gonna pack in some of that dirt. You know, sometimes I don't feel like I go deep enough in the soil. So I just want to make sure that I am, in fact, deep enough this go around. Okay, and some floral tape. I'm going to top it off with some more soil. Just gonna take some of this good old floral tape. I wish it came in cooler colors. Oh, some other things. So the Philodendron Pink Princess is kind of prized because black is not necessarily a color you'll find in plants. And these guys, although it's rare, can give you some black leaves. And the range of color for the leaves range from Well, they're green leaves. Obvi. But you also get anywhere from pink, well, black, pink, or burgundy leaves. And that's one of the things that makes this plant so special and prized. And some amazing variegation. Almost forgot to tell you guys that. Bad plant Betty. I'm a bad plant Betty. Alright. So that's it. Of course, like always, I'm gonna get this guy cleaned up, put it where it's supposed to go, take some pictures. But before I leave, just make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell a friend. Let's grow this family so I can say I knew ya when I was little. I would say that anyway. All right. Oh, and make sure you guys come back because I have to plant my white knight and my staghorn fern, which I'm scared of. Make that big.